Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a tutorial about Google Sheets. So if you want to start creating spreadsheets using Google Sheets, you can open this page docs.google.com/spreadsheets and make sure you already have a Google account so you can open this. And after that, here you can start a new spreadsheet by clicking on this blank one, a blank spreadsheet, or you can also use a template by going to the template gallery. And in here, there are lots of templates that you can choose. For example, you want to create a project timeline, you can just click on a template and it will be open automatically. So by using the template, you can easily use this like the templates in here, but you can always modify it with your own data. So after the spreadsheet is open, you can rename the spreadsheets if you want to. You can rename the tab, or you can also rename the file. For example, here you can just click on this to rename it, this box right here, then the box of the name. For example, I'm going to just write December. Okay, just like that, it will be renamed. And you can also add a collaborator to this spreadsheets. What you need to do is just click on this share button at the top. So currently this file is private only to me, but if you want to add collaborator or add people who can access the file, you can just add them in here by searching for their emails. Click on it, and here you can choose to notify them or not and leave a message in message box in here, and make sure that you choose their role as editor so they can also edit the file. After that, you can just tap on send. Okay, so this is how you can add a collaborator. But if you want to only share the file, you can tap on share in here. Then you can just copy the link and share it with the ones that you want. And so that's all for me. That's how you can use Google Sheets. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.